In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Keep My Zoom apps open for a smoother leave experience in Zoom. First, make sure Zoom is open on your PC and that you're already logged in. This setting lives inside your account preferences, so you'll need to be signed in before you can see it. Once Zoom is open, look to the top corner of the desktop app and click your profile icon. This is the small picture or initials that open your account menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the main settings window where all your app behavior and meeting preferences are managed. In the settings window, find and click Meetings and Webinar. Depending on your version, this may appear in the left sidebar as a category. If your layout looks a little different, look for a similarly named section that controls how your meetings and webinars behave. Within that section, scroll until you find a subsection called In-Meeting and In-Webinar Experience. This area controls what happens while you're in a session and immediately after you leave it. Inside this subsection, look for a smaller group labeled Leave Experience. That's where the option we need is located. Now, find the setting called Keep My Zoom Apps Open. Turn this on. When enabled, any Zoom apps you're using, such as note-taking tools, whiteboards, polls, or other integrated apps, will remain open when you leave or end a meeting or webinar. This is helpful if you want to keep working in an app right after a session finishes, copy information you captured during the call, or maintain your workflow without having to relaunch tools. If you disable this setting, Zoom will automatically close any open Zoom apps the moment you leave, or end a session. That means you'll be starting fresh the next time, and you may lose the immediate context you had in those apps. It isn't harmful, but it can slow you down, especially if you routinely reference app content right after a call or prefer to continue working without interruption. To recap the path, open Zoom on your PC and make sure you're logged in. Click your profile icon, choose Settings, go to Meetings and Webinar, find In-Meeting and In-Webinar Experience, open the Leave Experience section, and enable Keep My Zoom Apps Open. That's all it takes to keep your integrated apps available after you leave a meeting, so your productivity doesn't have to pause when the call ends.